Be ready for dictation. 5 seconds. Start. On the death of a member of a cooperative society, the society shall transfer the share or interest of the deceased member to the person or persons nominated in the manner prescribed, or if no person has been so nominated, to such person as may appear to the committee of management to be the heir or legal representative of the deceased member, full stop, para, provided that no such transfer shall be made unless such nominee, heir or legal representative, as the case may be, is admitted as a member of the society, full stop, para, provided further that if any dispute arises whether any person is the heir or legal representative of the deceased member, it shall be referred to the registrar, who shall thereupon refer it for arbitration under sections 71, and such society shall treat for the purpose of this section the person so determined in the arbitration proceedings as the heir or legal proceedings of the deceased member, full stop, para. Notwithstanding anything contained in subsection 1, any, such nominee, heir or legal representative, as the case may be, may require the society to pay to him the value to the share of interest of the deceased member ascertained in the manner prescribed, and the society shall pay the amount due within 3 months from the expiry of the period provided in section 25 for the continuance of liability, full stop, para. A cooperative society shall pay all other monies which may be found due to the deceased member from the society to such nominee, heir or legal representative, as the case may be, full stop, para. All transfers and payments made by a cooperative society in accordance with the provisions of this section shall be valid and effectual against any demand made upon the society by any other person, full stop, para. Provided that nothing herein shall affect the right of the rightful heir or legal representative to make any claim against the persons to whom any transfer or payment has been made under this section, full stop, para. Nothing contained in subsections 2 and 3 shall prejudice the right of society under this act to realize its outstanding claims against the deceased member out of the value of share or interest of, or other monies due to the deceased member, full stop, para. Subject to the provisions of subsection 2, the liability of a past member or of the estate of a deceased member of a cooperative society for the debts of the society as they existed, full stop, para. In the case of a past member, on the date on which he ceased to be a member, and in the case of a deceased member, on the date, on which death shall continue for a period of 2 years from such date, full stop, para. Where a cooperative society is ordered to be wound up under section 72, the liability of a past member or of the estate of a deceased member who ceased to be a member or died within 2 years immediately preceding the date of the order of winding up, shall continue until the entire winding up proceedings are completed, but such liability shall extend only to the debts of the society as they existed on the date of his ceasing to be a member of the debt, comma, as the case may be, full stop, para. A person may be admitted as a member of a cooperative society shall be subject to the provisions of this act, comma, the rules and the bylaws, full stop, over.